Here's a few principles that's going to make your singing easier. One, keep it as simple as possible. Sing the melody, sing the vowels, make sure it's pretty connected. Two, don't add anything extra. So if, for example, your word is play, you don't want to go play and do a lot of extra work. Just play, play, sing the dominant vowel sound, and then close to the end of the word. So that's going to make things easier. And then sing the vowels. So if you're working on the verse or the chorus, whatever it happens to be, drop the vowels, drop the consonants. So if the opening words, for example, are the Arizona sky, you want to sing yellow, a couple of times, so you get a feeling for how those vowels are connected, and then bring the consonants back. The Arizona sky, the Arizona sky, and you're going to be singing as if you're speaking it, but you're just going to draw those vowels out a little bit more, and you're going to put them on a deliberate pitch. So those are the basic ideas that are going to make singing easier for you. Just follow those principles and work on your technique separately. So do your vocalizing. That's going to help you develop your technique. And then when you're singing a song, don't worry about technique unless you're encountering some sort of problem. And then you go in and do a little bit of detail work. But keep it as simple as possible.